Glock 21 Gen 4 with the TLR-1 HL. Here we go. Polymer 80 Glock 19 with the TLR-1 HL. Here we go. Hey, this is Toe2 Bravo. We're going to shoot our CZ P10c today. We're going to shoot it at 8.5 yards without the Streamlight TLR-1 HL at 8 yards, like I mentioned. And then we're going to put the weapons light on it to see what kind of point of impact, point of aim, point of impact shift we might get with the weapons light on here. So the first 5 rounds we'll shoot without the weapons light. So here we go. So we are dead on without the weapons light. So now we're going to put the weapons light on. Using the same point of aim. Let's see where we end up, see if there's a difference. So here we go. Stoppage. Double feed. That was weird. Especially for my P10c. Failure to eject. So well, there really wasn't a big difference at 8.5 yards with the weapons light on. It's kind of good to know that point of aim, point of impact is going to pretty much stay the same with the weapons light. We did have that one malfunction though. We haven't had a lot of malfunctions with our CZ P10c, but we most certainly had one there. Definitely have to keep an eye on that. Our next pistol will be the Glock 19 with the briar nail slide with the window cut. And with the threaded barrel. So our first 5 rounds will be at 8.5 yards with no weapons light, same point of aim, which is the bolt head, and then we'll see if we can get a shift once we add the weapons light. So here we go. the bolt face. So we'll go ahead and put the weapons light on. See if we get a point of impact shift. So here we go. Our shot placement stayed pretty consistent with the weapons light. Weapons light stayed on. Gunking up a little bit, but no point of aim, point of impact shift there with the weapons light on. Next up, Polymer 80, 8 yards, and then we'll close into the target. Here we go. Glock 19 with the Brownell slide. Weapons light. Rounds complete. F2 Glock, 8 yards. Glock 21. All rounds complete. Final run, CZ P10c. one's complete.